Hey, Shannon here. Today we are doing an install over ceramic tiles from the 70s, maybe the 60s. I'll let you have a look for yourself, see what you think. We brought the carpet in already. What we're going to do is we're going to roll the carpet out with no underpad. We're going to cut it down so that's manageable. Then we're going to fold each side back, pad it like we would do a glue down, because on ceramic the pad is going to move all over the place. So we're going to go through this. We're going to show you. We're going to also be installing carpet on stairs over ceramic tile. So that's going to be something that you guys are going to want to stick around and see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the channel. And feel free to ask me any questions about the job, and let's get on with it. Okay, so what you're looking at is we came in 24 hours ago and we did all the smooth edge. We took out all the nails out of the smooth edge. We put construction adhesive down and we glued all that smooth edge down to the floor. We cut the metals into place, as you can see, and we glued those into place. We glued one stick of smooth edge on each ceramic stair so that we had something to staple into. And over in the corner where the sump pump is, we haven't put any smooth edge because he needs to be able to get at the P-trap or the sump pump. So we'll show you how that's going to go down when we're installing it. And yeah, let's go. All right, corners. Okay, so as you see, we have rolled out the carpet sideways. It's 33 feet long, 55 ounce. It's pretty heavy duty stuff. So what we've done is we've rolled it sideways, as you can see, and now we're about to spin it clockwise. Reason being is clockwise, the way that the pile is running, is that I want to be able to walk down the stairs and I want to walk into seeing the pile. Good enough, close enough. We have, it's supposed to go all the way into there, so let's pull it back and then we'll fold it. So we've got all the carpet rolled out. We've got it in place. We're gonna move it to the left a little bit so that we're gonna make that door over there. I think we're actually good there because the seam is there and the seam is there, so we can go in there. We're set up at the front inside there. So what now we're gonna do is we still have to pad. So we're gonna cut down all the excess, get it within an ease of workability, and then we will flip it side to side and do the underpad. Okay, as you see, most of the excess is cut down. We've left a little bit on the end because we need to fold that through. from end to end into that closet. It's 33 feet. So as I usually do, I have tightened it on the left side, in the middle, then tighten it on the right side, and then we went all the way down to the end and we tightened it from left to right, right to left, whatever suits your fancy. But as you guys know, I was in the one corner there and it's a little loose. And reason being is sometimes you have to stretch twice. Doesn't matter if you're using a kicker or a stretcher. It's cold, it's stiff. Once it starts to stretch, once it starts to limber up or soften up or warm up, it's gonna relax a little bit. And a lot of guys get themselves into trouble because they kick once and leave it. And then they gotta go back later and fix for bubbles. So as you guys saw, I stretched that again, pre-cut it down, and it was like, it took another 1/4 inch and it was tight. So on a long run, especially on a 33 feet, that's 15, 16 feet from the middle down to the end, I always tighten it up twice. So as you saw, I pulled up the carpet and redid the stretch, and now she's nice and tight all the way from the middle. So what Rob and I are gonna do now is we have about 7 feet that we have to fold through into the other part of the room. We're gonna make the release cuts, we're gonna fold it through, we're gonna fold it in, and then we're gonna stretch it, cut it in. Okay, so there's the carpet all folded in and done. We've got a seam in here. We're gonna cut that down and we're gonna give it a little stretch. We're gonna go to the left, then we're gonna go on the other side of the door to the right. Now watch this stretch here. See this bubble right here? This is the stretch that we're gonna get here. That's a nice stretch. All the way into the corner. We have a bubble here. You can see where I'm pushing my fingers down on it. Now what you have to remember is we stretched from the left to the right on that side of the door, and we stretched from the right over to that corner on that side of the door. But we didn't stretch or kick in the middle between the door. Hence, where that bubble is, right in the middle of the door. So we're gonna show you now how we're gonna bring that up to the end. We're gonna cut that down inside the room, and we're gonna stretch in the middle from where my foot is, from the left way, and then we're gonna go the right way down to the corner. And that's gonna take care of this bubble and that bubble where I have the piece of, you can see, I'll put the piece of carpet right here so you guys can see. So we're gonna take that out. You can see there's no bubbles that way because we stretched that already, and there's no bubbles that way. All right, so let's do that. So first things first, follow me. We're gonna cut out the excess in that other room. Now the reason why we cut off the excess is so that if there's too much carpet above where we're tacking onto the pins, it's just not gonna hook. And so we have to bring that down to a manageable level. You can see that there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a front row seat here to getting those bubbles stretched out. Let's hit that. Where is me tucker? Now, a couple of you were asking about this. This is called a Roberts tucker. I'll leave a link in the description below. So I think I had said from left to right, right to left. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go to the right this time and then the left on the other one. So we got bubble here, bubble here. Now we'll probably have to do this twice. Okay, what you see here, See, there's that piece of carpet. I had put that piece of carpet there where that bubble was before. Move that piece of carpet. No more bubble, right? Remember that bubble was right here. It's gone. Okay, seam's all done. Rim is stretched in. Rob's gonna cut the rest of this rim in. We've stretched into, done the seam here, stretched into the little hall. We've got a couple of seams to do here in the back. Rob's just putting the tape in there. We've got 3 seams to do in the cellar. And then we're going to put carpet on ceramic stairs. Okay, so we're all done. We've installed it all. There's no bubbles. We've done the walk around through for you guys to see. It is a pile carpet, so you do see the vacuum marks. We've glued the metals to the ceramic. We've glued the smooth edge to the ceramic, and we've carpeted the stairs over ceramic. This is Keith Shannon. Thanks for watching.